Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Technology Moments. In this opportunity we're going to talk about very quickly how you can set up your router, your AC1750 Archer A7 router from TP-Link. We're not going to talk about the unboxing or more complex features of this router. We're just going to talk about the basic stuff. Something that you have to keep in reach, the TP-Link Wi-Fi info card right here, because we're going to use this username and password. In our other video, you're going to find out how this device performs with this TP-Link Wi-Fi adapters. But once again, in this video, we're going to talk about how to leave it ready in order for us to connect in a wired manner to the router or wirelessly. Let's take then our Wi-Fi info card and let's set up our router. The first thing that you need to install is a QR reader app in case that you're going to read the QR code that is in the card, and you're going to download the TP-Link Tether app in order for you to connect directly to the router, and you will be able to have all the menus at hand. Let's connect it in the meantime to the electricity, and something very important is that you have to connect it to the cable modem to the blue port in the back of the router. If you have an active internet connection, the green LED is going to light up. You're going to sign in, creating a username and password. We found out, by the way, that this username and password, you can use the one that you have been using with the Casa Smart app, the one that you use to manage all the smart plugs and smart switches in your home. Okay, once you have the app and you have logged into your account, you're going to click right here in the plus sign at the upper right corner, and you will see the step-by-step procedure that you're gonna need to follow in order for you to have your router ready. Of course, we have already plugged it in, even to the cable modem and to the electricity and to the power supply. Okay, so once we have it like that, we're just going to click next in the app, verifying that all our steps have been executed correctly. We have seen that the Wi-Fi LEDs are solid on, and you might want to get your Wi-Fi info card, or you can just watch from the bottom of the device that information. Let's click it right here. Let's get the Wi-Fi ready in our mobile. We type the password that is in the info card right here. Yes, we are connected. I'm not sure right here if we should, I think we should go back to the app. And yes, it says right here, the step 3 is come back to Tether. That means come back to the app once you have connected to the wireless LAN. And let's click right here, I am connected. After choosing that option, it is going to find the Archer A7 ready to be configured and to be administered by this app. Let's create a password. This password is very important because this password is the one that you're gonna use not only to connect to the router and configure it through this app, you're also going to use this password in order to have web access to the router. Right here, it is going to ask you which one is your kind of internet connection. If it is an static IP, like it is right now, point-to-point protocol over Ethernet, L2TP, or tunneling protocol, whatever. This is some information that usually your ISP gives you. And right here, if you're going to to clone your MAC address, something that is a little bit more advanced for most users, which is not going to be necessary for you, maybe, most likely, sorry. And the Smart Connect is a way of connecting or creating your Wi-Fi in both technologies. This means in 2.4G and in 5G. That means that both networks in both channels are going to have the same name. That means that your device, the client device, is the one that is going to choose to which one of the networks you're going to connect. Something that you might want to disable if you're going to use a lot of smart devices that do not work too good. After it applies the settings, something that takes just a few seconds, this is a very, very fast router. It'll boot like in a few seconds. It is going to be very quickly is going to be available. Then we're going to go to the Wi-Fi settings of your device. You're going to see that it has disconnected from the previous Wi-Fi network. Right here in this case, it just connected to my old Wi-Fi network here at home, and I'm going to choose the new the new Wi-Fi network that we just created, and we're going to type, as you can see right here, the password that I have just created for this to work. Once I have it, I'm going to say, let's check it, and click on connect. Once you have it and you are connected, you are ready to go. The router has been completely set up. You're going to just tap right here at the bottom in the button that says I'm connected, and that's all. You're going to have full control of your router from your app in your phone. And that's all, guys. It is a very simple process. It is something that is not gonna take more than a few minutes, and you're all ready to go. That is as simple as that. Now your router is ready to be connected to. It also has a lot of powerful features that we're going to watch in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Remember that this is Technology Moments. Our sister channel is Momentos de Tecnología in Spanish if you're interested on watching our content in Spanish. Something very cool that we're gonna watch next video is how you can convert your router, your TP-Link router, into a network attached storage. It works just like a NAS. You can access files, like in this opportunity we had a 4 terabyte hard drive. We connected it to the USB port and worked flawlessly. We're also gonna test compatibility and performance when linked with these other TP-Link devices. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our new channel, and see you next time.